Did you know that the best way to maximize your business funding potential is to make sure that your personal credit is where it needs to be? So when a client comes to me and they're looking for corporate funding, I always make sure to look at where their personal credit is. And if it's not where it needs to be with what the banks are looking for, then I take them through a process to get them to that point. My clients average around $100,000 or more in corporate funding when they go through myself and my funding team to make that happen. A lot of companies will say, you don't have to have your personal credit in order to get funding for your business. And that's true in some instances. If you're just looking for about $20,000, $30,000. If you're looking for $100,000 or $200,000, $350,000, then you definitely need to make sure that your business credit and your personal credit are in alignment with what the banks are looking for so that you can maximize your funding potential. Now, as we're closing out the month of June, I'm so excited because we have funded $2.4 million in corporate deals. So this week alone, we did $550,000. 2 clients got $150,000, and 1 was able to get $200,000 in business funding so that they can start, grow, and scale their businesses. So I do what I do because I love seeing people win. If you are not looking just for store cards, credit cards, or just trying to get $20,000, you're really trying to maximize your funding efforts, then you want to get with a team that knows what they are doing. We've been doing this for over 25 years. I've been partnered with the same funding team for over 10 years, and we are making things happen. So if you want to get your own strategy session to learn how this is done, then go to creditlady.info and schedule a strategy session with me for next week. Again, creditlady.info for more.